a single page application on the browser or on a mobile. So what difference does it make? What is the difference between a single page application or a multi-page application? So single page application is nothing but whenever there is a change, whenever the user is tries to navigate from one page. Suppose there is a login page, okay, where the user enters his user ID or password, okay, and the user wanted to navigate to the next page. For example, you take an banking application where we have an ICICI Bank net banking set. So the user enters the username and password and clicks on submit login. So after that, what happens? The user will be redirected to their account summary page or dashboard page. So in on that page, the navigating from the sign in page to the dashboard page where he sees the different menus on the left hand side like transactions, account summary, whatever it is. Okay. So all these things, so from one page, the transition from one page to another page. So what happens here? So earlier in earlier cases before 10 years, how it was like, so the page used to get completely refreshed. Okay, the user experience was very bad. So whenever the user is going from the sign in page to the next page, so the entire page will go off for some time and again the next page will get loaded. So but after the introduction of the single page applications, single page application is nothing but the page will be common, the page will be constant, it will not go off. Once the user tries to sign in or clicks on login, so once he is successfully authenticated, so the sign in page will get replaced. So user will not get an experience like the entire page goes off for a certain milliseconds or certain seconds, but it is like a smooth transition of the user to the user. Like he doesn't feel like the something is getting refreshed or something is getting added to whatever he's doing. So the concept of single page application started there, where the user has a smooth experience of navigating between the pages. So the single page application, what it does is it does not remove the actual page. There will be one page of the application. So the entire page is whatever the user is trying to navigate. So from, as I said, from the sign in page to the next page, dashboard page. So the page will get replaced, but nothing else will get replaced. It's only a we divided the page into a components. Like I will explain what is components. Do not get confused what is component. So the components is nothing but a chunk of data. That's a certain data. So the certain data will get replaced. The page of the HTML, some part of the HTML will get replaced, and the remaining page will be displayed as it is. So that is what a single page application is. Single page application is the entire application has a single page. Okay, and the data get replaced on that single page itself. So that is how the smooth experience has been given to the user by the single page application. So this is, if you see any applications nowadays, it's everything is a single page application. You will not see something like the page is completely getting refreshed or the page goes off for a certain milliseconds or seconds and then display a second page. So if you see that from around 10 years back or 15 years back, the experience was like that, any application. But nowadays you will not be able to see that. So everything is a single page application. If coming to the starting with the mobiles, like everything, everybody wants to do the transactions on the mobile phones and everything. So on the mobile phones also, uh, all the applications are single page based applications. That is, so there will be only one page in the application. The entire application we are going to build, which is around 1000 pages or 200 pages or 500 pages of the application, there will be only one page. Okay, that the page which the user is seeing is the only page the application has, and whenever the user clicks on something or he wants to navigate, it will get replaced by the whatever the page the user want to see. Okay, that is what a single page application.